In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain to Namecheap shared web hosting. Ensuring that your domain is properly connected to your hosting is a crucial step in getting your website up and running, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to do just that. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to your Namecheap account. This is where you manage all your domains and hosting packages, so go ahead and click on the account button. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. This is a standard security measure to keep your account safe, so make sure you have your login details handy. After typing in your credentials, it's time to click on Sign In and Continue. This action will take you directly to your Namecheap dashboard. Think of the dashboard as the control center for all your online assets. From here you can manage domains, check hosting options, and explore various other services that Namecheap offers. In the dashboard you'll see various options, but for today's task focus on finding the section where you can manage your domains. Look for the Manage button and click on it. This step is crucial as it will direct you to the more detailed settings for your specific domain. Once inside the domain management page, locate the section labeled Name Servers. This is where DNS settings are configured. Name servers are essential in connecting your domain to your hosting, as they tell the internet where your website is hosted. Choose the option Namecheap Web Hosting DNS from the list available. Selecting this ensures that your domain will connect properly to the Namecheap hosting servers. It's a straightforward process, but very important for the right functioning of your website. Now keep in mind, when you update the name servers, the changes don't happen instantaneously. It typically takes between 24 to 48 hours for these updates to propagate throughout the internet. This delay is known as DNS propagation time and is perfectly normal. It's simply how long it takes for servers across the world to catch up with the updates you've just made. And there you have it. You've successfully added a domain to Namecheap's shared web hosting. It's as simple as navigating through the Namecheap portal, managing your domain and updating your name server settings. Remember, patience is key while waiting for DNS propagation. Soon you'll be ready to develop your website further, knowing that the foundational steps are complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today.